How to apply sprint kick or groin kick for groin area. You can see this point is shoelace. This is just like sprint. Therefore it is called sprint kick or groin kick. It is most powerful kick in the martial art. Now you can see how to apply this kick. It is wrong position. Now you can see real position. This position is okay. Now you are applying this kick. This position is real position. Now you can use this kick your any fighting technique as you wish. As well as you should take your body power for the kick. Then you can use most powerful kick. When you are applying opponent's groin area, you can use only this level. Anyway, now you know how to practice this kick. Now you can use and practice this kick in your level.